off-roading in the street bike. What's up? Oh my god, what am I doing? I hate you, Rod. I really hate you. I like really hate you.
What?
I really hate you.
Why?
I just feel my bike just destroying itself the whole time. Thought I was gonna bottom out a few times.
Oh, really?
I didn't, but I thought I was going to.
This is where everybody comes. This is like the easiest one to do, and then it goes way back from there.
And if you wanted some shotgun shells, I mean, here you go.
That's where I got most of mine to reload.
Oh, they just shoot at this hill.
Yeah, at the hill, or like there's a little berm right here that you can set stuff up on.
Pans.
Sometimes you can find some good brass. Reload. They've cleaned it up, dude. They used to be like television.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
That's good that they cleaned it up, though.
It's like,
Oh, it doesn't shut it down or something.
yeah. Oh yeah, I see a box over there. Hey, what's this?
Oh, wow.
Is it trapped? Is it got booby trap?
Booby trap's gonna blow up? Dude,
I got a free BB gun.
transport that.
I'm gonna put it on my back. Listen,
Does it have pellets in it, or BBs?
I don't know if it even shoots.
You pump it out. I think you have to cock it first.
Oh, you have to cock it first?
I used to have one when I was a kid.
There we go.
Holding?
Yep.
Sweet.
Oh, my gloves. Gangster shot it. Yay!
Word?
Yep.
Awesome. Reload it.
I needed a BB gun.
That's a good part.
There's a box right there. Ah, almost. A little low. Maybe the sights are wrong.
Awesome.
What kind of BB gun is this?
Daisy. Right?
Daisy, yep. Nice.
I have one of these bad boys.
What'd you do with it? Broke?
It broke. 12.
12 pumps. Yeah. I don't know. I can't aim with the helmet on. 40s, huh? Is there some more right here? Yeah, refill these babies up. Yeah. Dude, there's a lot of 40 shells out here. Yeah. I want to look like a vigilante running around town with a BB gun strapped to my back. It's a BB gun, officer, I promise. Here's some more. Reload these babies up, man. Go shoot them a 40. We'll get it later, son.
Sweet.
If anything, we can make a rope out of tape. Oil filter, awesome. I know, it doesn't look like it's been used. That's the right price. I like the free prices. Well, that one spot where I had to go off the road, I was like, I really hate you, I really hate you. Yeah, it was worth it. Worth the damaged suspension. And tires. Oh, you can't do that to me. I'm torn. Well, living in Southern California, it was good. I bought the right bike for the right place. It's just out here, there's nothing but dirt roads. Drive country. Man, that is some good dishware right there, man. Jeez.
So if they come and they're like, hey, that's ours, are you going to give it back or are you going to run?
Oh yeah, because I'm going to get really far. I'm going to feel like a jerk though, because I got their BB gun. Huh? Oh, thanks. Down the road, yeah.
It goes quite a ways.
Yeah, we'll go a little bit. Where would I do that at?
Like right along the thing and take it around that. Yeah.
Yeah, my leg will be out of the way, right?
Yeah. That's what needs to happen.
That's gonna happen.
Then you don't look like a vigilante.
I got free BB gun. Okay, what's here? Yay. Where go? There's nothing else we got. You crazy, dude. You crazy. Get around. Did you get some rocks in your face?